Alright guys, welcome back to the bench. Today we are going to unbox a box that I got from overseas. And this is I have no idea. It actually came from New Jersey. Maybe I didn't get this one while overseas. I can never remember. I've ordered a few vehicles and a few boxes here and in there, and I'm going through them trying to see what I got. So let's open this up and see what we got. Plastic. The person who invented plastic should be whatever. Alright. This is a buggy. And this is made by, I don't know. I don't remember. I think it's a WLToys. But it is there's two versions here. There's the buggy, and then there's the off-road vehicle. And if I remember right, I bought the off-road vehicle. Okay. So let's take a look. It says do not mix old and new batteries. It says 55 kilometers per hour. Has a motor. And it's from WL Racing. There again, packing wheel wrench, a USB charger. It is a 1/12 scale, and yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Comes with a controller, transmitter. It says MR2 on top. Now I have another vehicle. It says the same thing. Typical controller. It says it has 4-step mode. I don't know what that means. Right here. Got a switch, got a trim switch, steering trim, throttle direction, or DR. Typical junk controller. Oh yeah, I remember that. This bad boy is all metal. Got a metal chassis. Metal body. Frame is plastic. Metal shocks. Some metal on the suspension. Nice tires. This is a really nice vehicle. I'm trying to remember where I got this. I need to open these up as soon as I get them. But it is four-wheel drive. It's very heavy. Shocks feel really good. Suspension feels really good. Suspension is adjustable. Shocks are adjustable. Comes with drivers inside, but it's got a lot of metal on it. Metal chassis, metal struts or arms for the suspension. Nice. I think this one's going to be fun, guys. But we'll have to wait and see. It says Muscle Flame on it. Got a LiPo battery pack. Again, it's probably sold by many people. But this is just to add to my 1/12 scale models. But this one I remember having a lot of metal on it. WLToys RC. And if you look on the internet right now, you can find this anywhere from $100 on eBay or Banggood to $299 on eBay. So it's all over the map. The body, you can buy the body kit for $32. You can buy the whole chassis for $26, or the whole vehicle for $160, $100, $192. It's all over the place. I know I didn't pay that much for it. I might have paid $100 for it. But it is a nice vehicle. If you like 1/12 scale. And I do. I have several 1/12 scale vehicles. Okay, so let's open this thing up and see what we have inside. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this truck. And there's 2 pins in the front of the interior, and then it opens up like so, hinged. It has a, I don't know, battery, 220 milliamp, 7.4 2S, and that's about all it says. It's pretty generic. The motor is pretty generic. Looks like a 540, 550, I'm not sure. And I would say that the ESC receiver combo, which seems to be pretty popular nowadays, doesn't look like a bad one. It's really got nothing on it. It's, you know, a typical overseas ESC. I really like the suspension on this thing. I really do. Okay, so let's see if there's any juice in the power or battery. Let's see if I can find the switch. Okay, so got the controller, battery. This battery was dead. I got to charge it. But I found a battery that'll fit. It's got lights. And got some speed, that's for sure. Got a button here with 4 different lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no idea what it is. it'll actually go pretty slow. A little bit of clicking at that speed, but I'm pretty sure it's not made to crawl. Yeah, it's an overall, this is a really nice vehicle. The on-off switch is on the ESC receiver combo. Yeah, not a bad truck. Have to get it out and run it in some dirt and see what happens. But as of right now, I like it. I like it a lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.